Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel WordSprout. Today we'll take a peek into Rachel's diary. She's just become a new mom. How is she adjusting to life with baby Lily? Let's find out together.
August 5th, 2024, sunny and warm. Hi diary. It's been a whirlwind of a few weeks, but today, I finally found a moment to sit down and write. Life has changed so much since the last time I wrote. I'm now a mom. It still feels surreal to say that out loud. On July 20th, our little Lily was born. The moment I held her in my arms, everything else faded away. I was overwhelmed with love and awe. She was so tiny, yet so perfect. I can't believe how much joy such a little person can bring. The first few days were a blur, sleepless nights, feedings, diaper changes, but now that we're settling into a routine, I'm starting to feel more like myself again. My body is slowly recovering, and I'm learning how to navigate this new chapter of my life. Today, Lily gave me her first smile. It was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I can't describe how much that tiny smile lifted my spirits. It made all the exhaustion worth it. Family and friends have been so supportive. They've brought meals, helped with the house, and showered Lily with love and gifts. I feel so grateful to be surrounded by such wonderful people. There are moments when I feel overwhelmed, like I'm not sure if I'm doing everything right. But then I look at Lily, and she calms me. I know we'll figure this out together, one day at a time. Good night, diary. I'll write more soon. For now, I just want to hold my little girl and soak in this precious time. See you tomorrow.
How was your day? Did anything interesting happen? Share your diary entry in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.